welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Elvino Fernandez, and today I'm going to show you how to make a amazing dish. After this clip, I'll play the video and show you the pictures, and then let's talk about it. As you have seen the picture, it's amazing. The people who love seafood, especially shrimps, will be crazy eating this. Do try this at home, and please do support, subscribe, like, share, comment, press the bell icon for more notification, and enjoy the dishes which I make. And all the recipe will be in the description box below if you miss something out from while I'm doing this. So everything will be in the description box. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I have around 12 medium size shrimps. So you have to butter fry it. So you have to give a cut like this, okay? Hi guys, as you can see, my sous chef is here, and so she want to assist me on doing the sauce. So let's start. This is Japanese mayonnaise,
and I'm beautiful. Yeah.
Okay. So in goes your Japanese mayonnaise.
And
this is chili paste.
And I'm enemy here.
This is sriracha.
And I'm here, and I'm Edward, and how this
Sweet chili sauce.
And all the I'm here.
And Japanese spice. So mix all together. So she is helping me to mix.
Wow.
Mix properly. So the dynamite sauce is ready.
And now the sauce is ready.
Let's make the
Sushi color.
so let's do the batter. So in goes the tempura flour. So I have tempura flour like this. You can buy in any of the supermarket.
Wow.
For the recipe, you can just go to the description box. Okay. So this, and then pinch of okay, and then the 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Okay, mix all together. So you can just sprinkle some onto your shrimps. Okay. So at this stage, so the batter should be like this, okay? So after you whisk, so batter is like this. So now is the time to add your shrimp. Just mix it and add your shrimp. Okay, just mix together and let's fry it. So now let's fry the babies. To check the temperature, it should be around 170 to 180. It's almost there. So I'll show you the trick. Whenever you fry shrimp, dynamite or shrimp like that, just don't drop the entire shrimp. Just hold it like this for 30 seconds and then drop it. So this way it will not get stuck in the pan, so it will not go in the bottom. So just hold it like this and then drop. Just hold it like this and drop. Okay, so let's fry everything. Just hold it like this and go right to golden brown. As you can see, they are changing color now. Listen to the sound, so I'll show you how crispy they are. Okay, so now it's time for plating. Now let's mix the sauce. So put all your shrimps here and mix the sauce when they are hot, so it will get a nice coating. So this is the dynamite sauce. The best dynamite sauce. You just try it at home and let me know. Just mix everything together. See, it's still crispy, as you can hear the sound, and it will stay for some time, and you have to finish it like once it is done. You cannot keep it for longer time, but still it will be crispy for quite some time. Look at this beauty. Start the plating. So I have sliced Roman lettuce, okay, just for the support and for the color. So after that goes your shrimps, okay. So after this, sprinkle some toasted sesame. So I have done some garnishes. So this is basically spring onion flour. So I will make a video on this, how to make this beautiful flowers of spring onion. Okay, and done. We are ready to eat.